Floating in the vastness of space, nebulae are some of the most beautiful and mysterious regions in the universe. But these cosmic clouds are more than just dazzling sights. They are the birthplaces of stars. Take the Orion Nebula, for example. 1,344 light-years away, it's one of the closest stellar nurseries to Earth. It's a massive cloud of gas and dust, stretching over 24 light-years across. Inside these clouds, gravity pulls the gas and dust together, forming dense clumps. As these clumps grow, pressure and temperature soar, eventually igniting nuclear fusion. Voila! A star is born. This process can take millions of years, but in the end, these stars light up the nebula itself, creating the breathtaking colors we see. From the pillars of creation to the remnants of exploded stars like the Crab Nebula, these cosmic clouds hold the secrets of star formation and destruction, constantly recycling material back into the universe. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those twinkling stars might just be the latest creations of a distant nebula. Like, share and subscribe for more cosmic wonders.